Hey everyone, welcome to today's crochet tutorial. If you're brand new to crocheting, this project is perfect for you. We'll be making a super simple crochet dishcloth using just one stitch, the single crochet. This is a quick and easy project that you can finish in less than an hour. Grab your yarn and hook, and let's get started. Here's what you'll need: a medium weight cotton yarn, a size H 5.0mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle to weave in the ends. Cotton yarn works best for dishcloths because it's absorbent and durable. Let's start by making a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your fingers, pull a loop through, and tighten it on your hook. I have a step-by-step guide on the side if you can't follow the video. Next, we're going to make a foundation chain of 31 stitches. To chain, yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. Keep going until you have 31 chains. Now we're going to start row 1. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's 1 single crochet stitch. Repeat this in every chain across the row until you reach the end. When you finish, you should have 30 stitches. When you reach the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. From here on, it's super easy. Just make 1 single crochet in every stitch across, chain 1, turn, and repeat. Keep going until your dishcloth is about 7 inches tall or as big as you want. This is the relaxing part. Just keep repeating that same stitch. Keep up the work, you are doing great. When your dishcloth is the size you like, go ahead and finish off. Cut your yarn, leaving a few inches of tail, and pull it through the last loop to secure it. Then, use your yarn needle to weave in any loose ends. And that's it. You just made your very first crochet project. A simple dishcloth using only single crochet stitches. This is a great beginner project, and now you can make them in any size or color you want. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crochet tutorials, and share your progress in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy crocheting!